Alright, let's cut to the chase. Will artificial intelligence take your job? I get asked this all the time, and honestly, it's a bit more complicated than a simple yes or no. Over the last few years, AI's gone from clever party trick to absolute game changer. Think self-driving cars, chatbots, robots in warehouses. So, naturally, people are worried. Let's face it, jobs with loads of repetitive tasks, data entry, telemarketing, even some customer service roles are on the chopping block. If a machine can do it faster, cheaper, and never needs a tea break, well, it just makes sense for businesses. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI is transforming work, not just taking it. Doctors are using AI to spot diseases quicker. Teachers are leveraging smart tools to help each student. Designers are using AI to boost creativity, not replace it. The trick? Collaboration. AI works best when it's working with us. And here's the kicker. AI's also creating jobs. Ever heard of a prompt engineer, AI trainer, or data annotator? 5 years ago, neither had I. So, what should you do? Upskill, learn something techie, even if it's just the basics. Stay adaptable, because change is the one thing you can count on. And remember, human skills like creativity and emotional intelligence, still priceless. AI isn't the end of work, it's the start of something new. Like, subscribe and let's chat. Do you think AI will take your job? Stay curious.